Two people, you know what it is. It's time to unlock that PlayStation 4. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Gotta get that unlocked there. Ooh. We'll just unlock this real quick. Take a look at that.
Right now I want to introduce you to Carlos, who is here all the way from Colombia. And I understand you planned your vacation to be in the United States for the PlayStation 4 launch, and then you just stumbled across this party. How did that happen?
I was planning to go to a summer Best Buy to get my truck.
Tape still on it.
But then I was walking around the party and I saw the PlayStation logo.
Let's go.
And I asked him, just go in line.
Doing this with one hand, y'all.
In line to get my Ps4, so
there it is, baby.
So lucky for me.
That's amazing.
There it is.
The right place at the right time.
You gotta love it. You gotta love it, y'all.
To give away to the lucky fans who entered the hashtag MyPlayStation memory contest. And stay tuned. We've got
Booklets, stuff we don't really care about. But I'll probably read it later. Because, you know, I gotta take care of it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got here. HDMI cord. Plugs. USB. And mono earbuds, which I'll probably use. You like that commercial, don't you? Get that out the way. Now let's try to set this up right. Yeah, sure. What? There we go. Aiming at the boxy box. Good. Alright, let's take this baby out. Oh, it is heavy. I do not want to open it up. There we go.
I know. You go to DQ, you're thinking Blizzard. But here's a little best kept secret. The DQ chicken strip basket. They call it whole
guys.
tenderloin. I call it hashtag delicious. They marinate them up, season them 5 times, flavor inside and out. It's because the chicken strips are so good. They're like Blizzard good.
Alright, we can stop that now.
Stop too
I'm
far.
ready to play
Not
it.
at all, Alan. The chicken strip basket. No.